Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw Bitcoin to bank account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the app where your Bitcoin is stored. This could be Cash App, Coinbase, Binance, Robinhood, or any other crypto platform that supports buying and selling Bitcoin. If your Bitcoin is stored in a separate Bitcoin wallet, you'll first need to transfer it to a platform that allows you to sell Bitcoin. Once your Bitcoin is available on that platform, tap the sell button and choose the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. Confirm the transaction, and your Bitcoin will be converted into your local currency, such as US dollars. After the sale is complete, the money will be added to your account balance on that platform. For example, on Cash App, the funds will appear in your Cash App balance. Now, to transfer the money to your bank account, tap the Cash Out or Withdraw button. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then choose your preferred transfer method. If you select the standard transfer, the money will usually arrive in your linked bank account within 1 to 3 business days without a fee. If you need the money immediately, you can choose the instant transfer option, but an additional fee may apply. Since banks do not support Bitcoin directly, the only way to transfer Bitcoin to a bank account is to sell the Bitcoin first and then transfer the cash proceeds to your bank account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can withdraw Bitcoin to bank account. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.